Departure brake is set. Floor bar removed. The driver's been out. All clear signal received.
07, EVA 07.
Partner 7121 request taxi.
Partner 7121, taxi to Sierra 8.
Taxi to Sierra 8 712.
Sierra 8 for taxi. Checklist.
Anti-ice, set. Check.
723,
RTO, flight
1733.
and the ground equipment.
Behind the oxygen from the right, taxi to base.
Let's go off taxi lights.
Right,
Brakes released. Taxi lights.
Contact tower 11990.
And it remains dry for now. Left clear.
Right clear. Briefing.
7, thank you, Foxtrot, taxi behind Quebec.
024. Vast, we zijn zwaar. Eerste puntje, linksaf. Tot het tweede puntje. Tot het tweede puntje moeten we 220. Doe ik in de speed in de weg.
Orange voor Foto.
Daarna mag je schroeven naar 250.
Request high speed.
Requesting high speed. Ik wil even kijken dat we binnen die bochtjes blijven.
Check.
En orange voor...
Initieel, maar flight nummer 6. Engine out, follow us up here. Acceleration number 1390. Even denk ik aan 5 graden. Clean configuration. Door de 4.
Ja, belangrijk.
Op de hand. Wind waarschijnlijk een klein beetje naar rechts.
Standby.
Maar niet als deels.
The before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist. Max are set. Flaps.
173, that is complete. If you want
Cabin is notified.
Yeah, fine.
Die doe ik alvast de data. Before takeoff checklist.
19905, I do get up 173.
And I have 121 on the 99, okay, no final.
121 heavy KLM colors is ready for departure. Runway 24, Sierra 8 is sequence.
Mark 9712, goeiedag. Behind the Embraer. Line up runway 24, Sierra 8, behind.
Line up runway 24, Sierra 8 behind the KLM Embraer from the other side.
24 is identified, left is taking off. Sierra 8, daar is Sierra 8, wij staan iets verder. Dat is helemaal prima.
Ja, 24, Sierra 8, check, right clear.
Mark 9711, runway 24, cleared for takeoff to wind 22018, getting 27.
Roger, clear for takeoff runway 24, Sierra 8, partner 712.
Zo, langs run. Een beetje van links.
Check. Control high, control takeoff.
Easy 1359, runway 18 right, cleared land to wind 21018, getting 24. That's the line 18 right. Is the 1359. Skipper Tower, good evening.
First set.
Eva 076. Taxi on
18
outbound,
knots.
join
Check.
here 7. We're not ready yet. Eva 076, roger, hold short, report fully ready. Hold short, report fully ready, Eva 076.
T1. Rotate. Pulse 3.
Yeah.
Eva 076, ready now. Eva 076, roger, line up runway 24. Line up and wait, runway 24, Eva 076. Yeah, that's 18 right. Information just changed to Lima, the new QNH to expect 1009. Cockpit, check to Lima, QNH 1009, River 444, speed 18, QNH 1009. Triple 9 up, 1X off the left, River 444. Portugal 668, heading 025, QNH 1009. Heading 025 degrees, QNH 1009, Portugal 668. KLM 1706, QNH 1009. 1009, KLM 1706. Martinez 7121, hello, climb flight level 130, report your level.
Passing 3,400 to climb to flight level 130, request high speed Martinez.
Approved.
Ja. En ik heb geen restricties.
River 444, contact tower 118, 028, 0 Charlie 70 Yankee, turn left heading 010. Left 010, exactly. Set level 100, same on for please. River Shadow Papa Lima. River Shadow Papa Lima, if you want to move.
Amsterdam Martinair 7121, climbing flight level 130.
Martinair 7121, Arena, climb flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230, Martinair.
Replica 3002, navigation direct to Nikki.
Ja, is correct.
Nikki, Replica 3002.
Ja, check.
Kilo 1028, approach 121-205, goedenavond. 205, kilo 105,
Checking standard here,
level 50, climb into level 130. Eva Air 07, good evening. Continue to climb to level
Standard passing
250.
7.6
Continue
now.
climbing to level 250, Eva 076. Kilo 1733, contact Brussels 128, decimal 8, good evening. 288, kilo 166, right. Now you want to go, you have level 70. Continue to level 70, have you